Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. The topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is hierarchical relationship and external lookup relationship. So hierarchical relationship. A hierarchical relationship is a special type of relationship in Salesforce that is used to represent hierarchical data. Hierarchical data is data that has a parent-child relationship, where each record has a parent record except for the root record. It is used to establish relationship between user to user, also called self-relationship. Steps to create hierarchical relationship: setup, object manager, user, fields and relationship, new. Step 1, choose data type as hierarchical relationship. Step 2, enter field name and other details. Step 3, click next. Step 4, save. External lookup relationship. External lookup relationship between a record within Salesforce and a record outside of the system. For an external lookup, the external object is the parent. External objects are similar to custom objects except that they map to data that's stored outside the system. The values of the standard external ID field on the parent external object are matched against the values of the external lookup relationship field. For a child external object, the values of the external lookup relationship field come from the specified external column name. An example for hierarchical relationship. Let's create hierarchical relationship for a standard object user by the name coach. And for external lookup relationship, let's see from where we could create external lookup relationship. So to do the practical, just log into salesforce.com by providing username and password. Hit the login button. So click on Object Manager, search for user. As we are creating the hierarchical relationship, it is going to be created on user. So in the fields and relationship, click on new. So in the relationship section, we are seeing that hierarchical relationship allows user to click a lookup icon and select another user from a pop-up list. Select this, click on next button. So I am providing here coach and the child relationship name is coaches. Click next. Field level security for reference field, choose by default. Click next. Reference field to page layout. This is for community member layout and user layout as well. Click on save. So let's open the user. Click setup. Under the administration, expand users. Click users. So I am using this ID. So click click on this edit. So let's see where the field is coming. Additional information coach is coming over here. Click this search icon. So the same name is coming over here, as there is only one username created up to now for this org. So next we have to see external lookup relationship. So click on object manager, and just I am choosing this account standard object. Click on fields and relationship. Click on new. So by this way we can create external lookup relationship. Creates a relationship that links this object to an external object whose data is stored outside the Salesforce org. So we are not going to do the practical for external lookup relationship. So one more thing I need to convey over here. So as this account is a standard object, and we are here in the relationship section, we are not able to see master detail relationship, as master detail relationship is only we can create on custom object. So we had seen hierarchical relationship and external lookup relationship. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.